Hey guys, welcome to Money Valley, and today is 16th of June, and right now it's 9:36. That is almost late evening, and I'm creating this video to show you that what was the day trade for today and how we achieved this 30,676 in one trading session on investment of just 20,000 rupees. So we did two trades today. It was BankNifty 19,500 put and BankNifty 20,800 call. So in one we made somewhere around 3,000 loss, that is 2,922, and on other we made 33,598 rupees profit. So overall profit is 30,676 rupees. Okay, so I just wanted to show you that how we made this profit with the amazing trend today. So what was the trend today? Since morning it was a gap up here, you can see here, and you can see that I would try to take a broader view here. Yeah, we can see here now. So this morning we had almost a gap up opening. So it was like a gap up opening like this, and basically after this point market has not moved, or market has not actually broken the highest of this candle. So we were predicting that the market is gonna go down only, and at this point somewhere around here we started putting we started buying put for the BankNifty, and it actually came here. Actually it was somewhere around 45,000 profit, but what happened, it came here for a very fraction of time and it moved back. So we made somewhere around 33,700 rupees profit. So this was the trade today, and if you want to learn more about, just you can visit moneyvalley.in. If you have any query or question, you can email us on below email address, and you can also contact on this mobile numbers. Thank you very much.